Inflamed can have two main meanings, depending on the context. 1. Of a body part red, swollen, and often hot, usually due to infection, injury, or illness. This is the most common meaning of inflamed. For example, you might say her ankle was inflamed after she twisted it playing basketball. Other symptoms of inflammation may include pain, itching, and a feeling of tenderness. 2. Figuratively very angry or excited. This meaning is used less often, but it can be used to describe strong emotions like anger, passion, or enthusiasm. For example, you might say the crowd was inflamed with rage after the politician's speech. Here are some other things to keep in mind about inflamed. It can be used as an adjective or a verb. As an adjective, it usually comes before the noun it describes. For example, he had an inflamed appendix. As a verb, it means to become inflamed. For example, the wound became inflamed overnight.